Gianni. Allora, un'altra parola catalogita. No, it's not a word in Sicilian today. Today, it's a whole sentence. It's mi sta nascendo un senso. It means I'm going out of my mind. In Italian is sto a perdere il cervello, sto andare pazzo, sto per andare pazzo. So that's the sentence of today. As you can see, I'm in my car. Yes, after a month at home in quarantine and in isolation, I decided to go for a drive. I'm just driving around. The lineups at stores are just unbelievably long and discouraging, so I'm not even gonna go there. I'm just driving around. Hey, gas is cheap, so why not? So that's it for today. I haven't been feeling well. Hopefully this vertigo is gonna leave me alone and subside. On that note, come sempre, please subscribe to YouTube channel Italians of Montreal and Friends Association. I have my Facebook page, my Instagram, you guys all know about it. Come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Stay safe, stay positive. Salutiamo.